Good evening, YouTubers and subscribers. Today's Wednesday, May 30th, and we are going to look at a few prices. Bitcoin price is the first one. As you see, Bitcoin has dipped back down to 73.13. That was yesterday. It went, and that was like yesterday. That was about the dip that it took. It actually took a lower dip than that. If for those who missed out on on purchasing some, here's your chance. Anyways, on the 1 hour, it's showing that the all-time low was 72.72, $7,272, and on the 1 day, it's 7,327. So as you can see, that was yesterday's pretty low. So and the high is 75.49. So, and if you look at the 1 week, it's 7,089, which maybe we could be falling into that sometime soon. But I guess we should be happy that we're at least gone back to 73. But it'd be really cool to go back to 7,000 and maybe even 6,000 for those who want to buy in and feel like they missed out. And that's probably about the lowest it'll go. And I don't know if you guys are aware, but if you guys really see of last year's the correction, this correction looks so high, but if you really look back in January, there was another correction that was actually very it was a bigger correction than that. I just doesn't show it. Doesn't seem that. Let me see if I can do it here. Anyways, I gotta get on my computer to show you guys, but there was a really big dip that it took, and it was like, I mean, it took, we went from 20,000 and we took almost 100% dip. This was like a 300, 400 times dip. I think it went from $200 up to $1,200, and then it went back down to 200. So that was real dramatic. A lot of people got out on that time. But anyway, so here's Bitcoin price, and I'm hoping that it goes a little lower so I can probably buy a little bit of Bitcoin. I am going actually to buy Ethereum is what I'm going after right now. But anyways, here's Bitcoin Cash. It's 951. It went under 1,000. It's a really great price if you could get Bitcoin Cash under 1,000. And this is your chance. It could go down to about 850, I believe, in a day or two. And if the price starts falling, as you could see, as the price has been falling pretty much. So let's check this out here. So this is the price been falling, and this is the price of Ethereum. But let me go ahead and put Bitcoin Cash. So here's Bitcoin Cash. Let me go ahead and put it this way for those of you. So here's Bitcoin Cash. As you can see, it's falling down, and it is at 952 right now. And I think 948 was when it fell down the last time, that low. So we'll see how that is. But anyways, here is. Sorry, I'm here driving from Palm Springs to Oregon, and I decided to go through a 395. They say it's a more scenic route, and it's a better route. So here we are. We passed Independence, and we are going to, it's called Monmouth, I guess, a city.
Big Pine.
Big Pine is what it is. So anyway, for those of you travelers, so here's, and then one last one really quick, Ethereum. Here's Ethereum 544. As you guys know, late last night, not last night, but the night before that, Ethereum took a big price jump in the middle of the night, and a lot of us missed it if you didn't put a stop buy, which I failed to do. I fell asleep and I missed it, so I was not happy about it, and I knew it would come down, and I'm waiting for it to come down to 520, and then I'll be purchasing some more Ethereum. And I'm gonna stick with Ethereum for now because the price of Bitcoin is too volatile. And I wanted to let you guys know, for all those new traders, the people that want to start trading, my advice would be, don't do it. And yes, my advice would be, don't do it. Bitcoin and the crypto market's up a little too volatile to be day trading. Not volatile. Volatile is great. That's how you make the money. It's too crazy, and it's too spontaneously just and surprising. You don't know where it's going to go. You look at the charts, you look at the indicators and so forth, and it can fool you. So I would go for swing trading or especially long-term trading. Just hold your Bitcoins, hold your crypto. Get one of the first top 10 cryptos in the coin market cap, and you will not be disappointed. And that's what I think that people should do. So anyway, this is a new token that just came out in Binance. They just put this out. It's already up 33%, 33.72%, and I might get some of that. So we will see. There's some cool towns here in this cool little area. But anyways, I want to let you guys know. And so the total market cap's 320 million when the market's that low. And I don't know if we're going to get a lot of price action towards the top, towards the high, well, towards the up level. So when we start getting to 400 mil is when we start seeing more volume, and we will probably start seeing some prices stay increased. Other than that, if we do go up, we're going to come down, I think, until we get this together, get this to 450 million, 500 million, then we just start staying up and climbing up to then. So here it is. Let me go ahead and check out the coins now. Sorry, let me see. I'm driving, so I'm tethering this. So here it is. Right now, a lot of them are red. As you can see, there's a lot of reds, which is great. I mean, if you want to purchase and sell. But anyways, that's right now, and I'm starting to try to hold at least a little bit of all the 10 major coins, top 10 coins. But I want to go for 15 coins. But anyway, I want to get a little bit of ripples. I got this one I'm going for a lot more, and of course Tron. I just bought a lot of that, and EOS. But anyways, all right, you guys. I don't want to make it too long. We're traveling, and I will let you go. Best wishes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you could get up there and click the little bell. That way you can get the new videos. I'm going to start making more videos now. I've been traveling and just kind of doing my own thing, and I've been trying to trade and losing on trades and winning it. But as many people say, only about 10% of the traders win. All the others lose, and they're correct. So that's why I say, if you're going to day trade and you're new, don't do it. Try to day trade stocks better, because they're more predictable. This is too unpredictable market. It's only for the real good professionals, the real good, people that can read charts, that can read indicators, can read signals, that can read, all of the tools that is necessary for somebody to succeed in this trading market. Anyway, okay, you guys. Also, I have some links down there below of Binance and Coinbase. If you guys want to get on my team and get on the links there and sign up and get your crypto now. This is your one good chance. Everybody said, oh, we missed the chance of 2007. Ripple went up to like 387%. So if you bought Ripple last year, on 2016, if you bought Ripple for $1,000 of Ripple, you got $387,000 back. And that was the highest made crypto coin last year, and the other ones fell down right behind it. So that's how this market is. It's weird how a lot of people are wanting to pick up on Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin, and Bitcoin could only go up about 10%, 10x, 10 times, right? What are we at, 8,000? Let's say it goes up 10 times to 80,000. What are the chances? I mean, so, and think about this. If you had Bitcoin at 50, if you had Bitcoin and Bitcoin went up to $50,000, would you sell? Heck yeah, you would, before it comes down, right? Because you saw what happened on that bubble. So a lot of people are going to do the same thing. So before Bitcoin hits 80,000, there's going to be ups and downs and a lot of downs. And that's when a lot of people start getting at the market. You're getting on something and you start seeing it down. You see it go down 10%, 15%. You're going to jump off. If you don't know trading, if you don't know crypto, you're going to jump right off. You don't realize that crypto will fall in one day 10%. So just remember that. Keep your coins, keep Ripple, keep some Ethereum, keep EOS, Cardano. If you can't get Cardano and Stellar that is so cheap, I don't even know what to say. Look at Tron, 6 cents. Come on. You could go out to the movies, and instead of going out to the movies, you can get what, 60, 80 coins of Cardano or whatever. So just, there's no excuse. Sorry to say. I mean, we all have different, different investment amounts and strategies, but this little bit of amount, or this little bit of the coins costing, I think it's no excuse for somebody to. If you have an iPad, you have a computer, you have a cell phone, you can get $30, $40, and you can get Ripple. You can get 30 Ripple coins. That could be $1,000 in about 2 years or a year. That's So anyways, that's all I got to say, folks. And subscribe on my channel, and check out the other videos I have. And I'm also on Twitter. I do Twitter a lot, so that's one thing I've been doing. I actually opened up Twitter about a few months ago, and I've been really tweeting a lot more than this YouTube. But anyways, okay, you guys, I gotta go. And Binance and Coinbase, the links are below. Bye-bye.